Hi guys! Welcome to my mini Archie tour. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Lancaster and ito ang ating newly renovated na house. This actually is a corner lot wherein it's an IRA model. As you enter the foyer, you will be greeted by the lovely plants behind me. So this is their IKEA L-type sofa and in front of me is their TV accent wall. So this one is their display shelves. And then we do have our TV console here with the drawers underneath. So nandito ngayon tayo sa kanilang dining area. Masarap kumain dito because of the lighting. And of course, meron tayong accent, which is our baffle ceiling. This differentiates the living space, the dining, and the kitchen area. Before ko kayo dalhin sa man cave, flex ko muna sa inyo yung aming ginawang liquor rack. So, of course, nandito yung kanyang collection. And underneath this is